This is Useless Builds, and this is Wheel Werks 2017 Ford Transit Connect XLT. What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. I'm sorry if this is kind of a weird one for my channel. I'm kind of practicing with my video skills and my audio skills as well. So I'm dubbing over with this to try and give you a description of what's going on. As I said, the vehicle is a 2017 Ford Transit Connect. It's an XLT. The wheels on the car are AREs. They're 17 by 9.5, and they're 5 by 120 with an ET56. So due to that, the vehicle has to run spacers. So it has a 5 by 108 to 5 by 120 spacer. That's a 25 millimeter. In the rear, they're running an extra 3 millimeter on the spacers. Like, the coilover system is from England directly. It's been directly imported. It was just under $900, and the brand is GAZ. I'll put a link in the description down below to the coilovers if you're looking for them for your transit. I do appreciate you for coming and watching the video. It really helps me out, and it really gives me more motivation to want to do this even more. The coilovers on the car are currently maxed out, but the vehicle doesn't ride too harsh. I've rode around in the car a few times, and I've actually driven it a few times. I did the coilover install myself on the car, so it is a pretty cool car. It's perfect for a work vehicle. You can see all the extra cargo space in it. It's a good 4-cylinder engine, 2.5 liter. It gets really good gas mileage, and the owner of the car is he's the owner of the Wheel Werks company. If you're looking to have your wheels repaired, the company is located out of Charlotte, North Carolina, so you can reach out to them on Facebook if you need any wheel repairs. They fix bends, cracks, blemishes, any kind of deep scratches. They also do building of wheels if your wheels need to be rebuilt. If you use their 2 or 3 piece wheels, the wheels on this car are 2-piece. They're 2-piece welds. Once again, guys, thank you for joining the video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it with your friend, leave a comment below. I appreciate you joining my channel. You're in the early stages, and hopefully in the future I'll be much better at this and these won't be as bad.